Which country has the largest population in the world? China. What are the names of the 5 oceans? Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Arctic, and Southern. Which is the most populous city in United Kingdom, which is also its capital city? London. Which river forms part of the boundary between Mexico and the United States? Rio Grande. Which country is also known as the Netherlands? Holland. How many states of India share its border with Bhutan? Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, West Bengal, and Sikkim. Which English city did poet Matthew Arnold describe as the city of dreaming spires? Oxford. What is the capital city of India? New Delhi. In which country would you find the Leaning Tower of Pisa? Italy. Which are the 7 continents in the world, from largest in area to smallest? Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Which planet is nearest to the Earth? Venus. Which is colder, the North Pole or the South Pole? The South Pole. What is the name of the biggest ocean on Earth? The Pacific Ocean. Which is the country with the most number of capital cities? South Africa, 3, Cape Town, Pretoria, Biom 14. In which American city is the Golden Gate Bridge located? San Francisco. The United States consists of how many states? 50. Which is the largest waterfall in the world? Victoria Falls. Which is the biggest desert in the world? Sahara Desert. Which is the hottest continent on Earth? Africa. Which is the highest mountain in the world? Mount Everest. Which is the coldest place on Earth? Antarctica. In which part of the river as the water flows the fastest? Upper course. What is the capital city of Spain? Madrid. Which continent is known as Dark Continent? Africa. In which country would you find Mount Kilimanjaro? Tanzania. Which is the largest lake in the world? Caspian Sea. What are horizontal and vertical imaginary lines around the Earth called? Latitudes and longitudes. Ceylon is the former name of which country? Sri Lanka. Which is the world's biggest port? Port of Shanghai. Which country is the leading egg producer in the world? China. What is the capital city of Canada? Ottawa. Which is the largest U.S. state in terms of population? California. What is the official language of Brazil? Portuguese. Which is the only country with a coastline in both the Red Sea and the Persian Gulf? Saudi Arabia. What is the capital of Thailand? Bangkok. Which is the smallest country in Asia by population? The Maldives. At which height does a hill become a mountain? (600 m). What do you call smaller rivers that flow into another river? Tributaries. It doesn't flow into the sea. Which continent is Britain part of? Europe lies to the northwest of mainland Europe. Which climate can reach 40 Celsius during the day and 0 Celsius at night? Arid or deserts. Which two continents does Russia belong to? Europe and Asia. What are the key factors that determine the climate of an area? Latitude, altitude, and rainfall. Which country was once known as Rhodesia? Zimbabwe. What do you call a chain of mountains? A range. What is the currency used in Britain? Pound sterling. Which is the smallest country in the world? Vatican City. Which country is called the land of rising sun? Japan. Which European country shares its border with the most neighbors? Germany, 9. What is the official currency of Vietnam? Vietnamese dong. What is the capital city of China? Beijing. What is the official language of Australia? English language. Which is the country with least population? Vatican City. In which country do you find the Yellow River, also known as Huanghe? China. Which city is also known as the Eternal City? Rome. Which South American country has land borders with 10 other countries? Brazil. How many countries are there in the world today? 195 countries, member states of the United Nations - 193, non-member observer states 2. Which device measures the speed of wind? Anemometer. Which ocean lies between Europe and America? Atlantic Ocean. Which country is the second biggest in the world? Canada. What is the currency used in Japan? Japanese yen. Which is the longest river in the world? Nile. Which European country has a capital city called Bucharest? Romania. Which is the largest volcano in the world? The Mount Lao. Where is the biggest railway station in the world? New York City, Grand Central Terminal. Which is the only country through which both the equator and the Tropic of Capricorn pass? Brazil. How many countries border Germany? 9. Denmark, Poland, Czech Republic, Switzerland, Austria, France, Belgium, Luxembourg, and the Netherlands. In which continent is the world's longest river, the Nile? Africa. Which European country is closest to the continent of Africa? Spain. What is the capital city of Germany? Berlin. Which is the tallest building in the world? Burj Khalifa in Dubai, 828 meter, 2,717 feet. Mount Everest lies in which mountain range? The Himalayas. Which is the country with the most number of islands? Sweden, 221,800 islands. Which is the biggest country in Africa continent? Algeria. Which is the second most populated country in the world? India. What is the national currency of Malaysia? Malaysian ringgit. Addis Ababa is the capital city of which African country? Ethiopia. What is the currency used in Singapore? Singapore dollar. 7 African countries begin with the letter M. Can you find and name all 7 countries? Madagascar, Malawi, Mali, Mauritania, Mauritius, Morocco, Mozambique. Which ocean lies between Africa and Australia and south of Asia? Indian Ocean. Which country is the second largest in the world in terms of surface area? Canada.